we continue going through the learner guide on fault find and repair. Recording, repair / rectification report. The recording of the repair / rectification report is expected to be done according to standard operational procedures where appropriate. It is important that the report conform to the following characteristics. Accuracy, it must be accurate and tell what happened. Transparency and efficiency. The standard operating procedures will depend on the particular repair that is being conducted. Close attention must be paid to the stated operational procedures to prevent accidents and other disasters. Checkpoint. What important factors should be considered when recording repair / rectification reports? Discuss with your learning facilitator and your peers the elements of a recording a repair / rectification report. Should be the element of recording. Alright. Create a report on the repairs you conducted on an appliance or equipment. Share the results with your peers. Are you ready to prove your competency? Alright, so we're looking at the end of this element and the checklist that will prove your competency in this element of this unit. Checklist 1. I can repair, replace or adjust circuit systems to specifications or manufacturer's requirements. I know how to check and test earth. Let me repeat that. I know how to check and test circuit / system using appropriate techniques, procedures, tools, and equipment. I can record, repair, rectification to standard operating procedures. Checklist 2. Circuit / system is repaired, replaced, or adjusted to specifications or manufacturer's requirements. 2. Circuit / system is checked and tested using appropriate techniques, procedures, tools, and equipment. 3. Repair rectification is recorded to standard operating procedures. So you would see so far that the document is general in nature and it follows certain general principles, or it presents certain general principles that you should follow. Now, the final element is inspect and notify completion of work. Learning outcome. As you go through this element, you need to ensure that you acquire the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitude to inspect and notify completion of work. Your learning facilitator is there to assist you through the various activities. Upon completion, you should be able to 1. Undertake final inspections to ensure that the repairs to electrical circuitry, to the electrical circuit and secondary wiring conform to requirements. Complete work within acceptable time. Leave the work area clean and tidy. Notify work completion in accordance with established procedures. Undertaking final inspections. Final inspections are undertaken to ensure the repairs to electrical circuit and secondary wiring conforms to requirements. These inspections should be done accurately with the correct tools using correct testing techniques. Why should final inspections be undertaken on electrical circuits? Well, of course, I will present one main reason so that you are sure that the equipment is working. You wouldn't want to repair an equipment, you don't test it, but you give back to the customer and say, I've repaired it. Then they go home, plug it in, it's not working. Or maybe when they plug it in, you hear one big boom, an explosion, fire, and it injures the customer. You need to inspect the equipment after you work on it to make sure everything is all right. Inspect it with your tools and testing equipment before you plug it in to make sure there's no short circuit, and therefore you won't have an explosion. And then after you're sure, then you plug it in and make sure that it is working. Activity. You are required to conduct the final inspection on an electric circuit that was recently repaired. Design a set of standards that could be used to ensure that the repairs conform to requirements. Completing work on time. The completed repairs should be done in acceptable time in an effort to save time and money, establish efficiency and competency, satisfy the client, and promote quality standards. Why is it necessary to complete repairs on time? That's your checkpoint here. Leaving work clean and tidy. All repair work must be left clean and tidy so as to promote cleanliness, safety, and efficiency. Checkpoint. Why is it necessary to leave work clean and tidy? Activity. Design a number of strategies that could be used to clean and tidy repair work. Present the report to your learning facilitator. Notification of work completion. Work completion must be notified in accordance with established procedures. This notification must be conducted timely and accurately. Checkpoint. How should the notification of work completion be conducted? Discuss activity. Discuss with your peers the importance of the notification of work completion when conducting repairs. Are you ready to prove your competency? So you have the following self-assessment. I can undertake final inspections to ensure that repairs to electrical equipment and secondary wiring conforms to requirement. Yes or no? I can complete work in acceptable time. Yes or no? I can leave the work area clean and tidy. Yes or no? I can give notification of work completion in accordance with established procedures. Yes or no? Final inspections are undertaken to ensure the repairs to electrical circuit and secondary wiring conforms to requirement. Yes or no? Work is completed within acceptable time. Yes or no? Work area is left clean and tidy. Yes or no? Work completion is notified in accordance with established procedures. Yes or no? So you should be able to answer yes in all of these. And here is the end of the learner guide on fault find and repair.